Hello and welcome back to our NEC training series where we break down electrical code rules into simple terms that everyone can understand. Today we're talking about NEC 110.26D, which covers the illumination requirements for electrical equipment working spaces. Why is this important? Well, having proper lighting when working on electrical equipment isn't just convenient, it's a critical safety requirement. Let's explore what the code says, why it exists, and how it impacts your work. NEC 110.26D requires that working spaces around electrical equipment must be adequately illuminated. In simple terms, the place where you work on electrical panels, switchgear, or other equipment needs to have enough light so you can see what you're doing clearly, read labels and instructions, identify any hazards, perform tasks safely without guesswork. This isn't just about any lighting, it has to be bright enough to be reliable. The main reason for this rule is worker safety. Imagine you're trying to work on a live electrical panel in a dimly lit room. You might miss seeing a loose wire, a damaged component, or even the labeling that tells you how to safely handle the equipment. Poor lighting increases the chance of mistakes, electrical shocks, arc flashes, or accidental contact with energized parts. NEC 110.26D was created to make sure your workspace is well lit so you can work carefully and confidently. The code doesn't specify exact brightness levels in this section, but generally, working spaces should be illuminated to a level that allows clear visibility of equipment and the surroundings. In practice, lighting that provides around 50-foot candles at the working surface is a common recommendation. This means the lighting should be bright enough so you don't have to strain your eyes, shadows shouldn't be minimized, and you can easily spot labels, wires, and components. Here are some practical points to remember. Lighting fixtures should be placed so that they don't create glare or shadows on the equipment. Emergency or backup lighting is important. If the main lights fail, you still need enough light to safely exit or complete urgent work. Portable lighting can be used, but it must be safe for electrical environment, for example, insulated and rated for the space. Lighting controls should be easily accessible so you can turn lights on and off without difficulty. As an electrician or apprentice, always check that the workspace is well lit before starting any electrical work. Use additional portable lighting if the installed lighting isn't sufficient. Remember, good lighting helps prevent accidents and improves your accuracy and efficiency. Proper illumination is also often checked during inspections, so complying helps avoid violations. To wrap up, NEC 110.26D, electrical work spaces must have adequate, reliable lighting. Good illumination is essential for safety, accuracy, and efficiency. The rule was created to prevent accidents caused by poor visibility. Make sure lighting is well placed, bright enough, and always available when working on electrical equipment. Thanks for listening.